Okay, we're going to learn about simplifying rates. What are rates and how are they different to ratios? Let's explain what rates are, and you're going to notice that they are different to ratios. A rate is a comparison of unlike quantities, unlike amounts, amounts that are different in units, two different units compared together. Let's see some examples. An example of a rate is when a car travels 50 kilometers an hour. So the rate here is kilometers to hours, 50 kilometers every hour. The car is traveling every hour 50 kilometers. Another type of rate. Oranges cost $3 a kilogram. $3 for every kilogram of oranges, you're going to be paying $3. Water is pumped at 2,000 liters an hour. So for example, we are pumping in a large tank 2,000 liters every hour. That is the rate, 2,000 liters every hour. Another example, John earns $55 an hour. So for every hour that he's working, he's going to be paid $55. Another example, my car drives 11 kilometers every liter of fuel. So for every liter of fuel that I have, my car can travel 11 kilometers. These are all types of rates. We can compare kilometers to hours, dollars to kilograms, liters to hours, and money, which is pay per hour, and even kilometers that a car travels for every liter of fuel. This is what a rate is. We are comparing unlike units, unlike quantities to one another. Now let's see how we can simplify rates. Just like ratios, we can also simplify rates. Remember, rates is a comparison of unlike quantities. We are comparing unlike quantities. We are comparing two different units. Let's do some examples on how we can simplify rates. The first example says 12 kilometers for 3 hours. So maybe someone is cycling and they are traveling 12 kilometers in 3 hours. We would like to know and simplify that to the smallest unit. When we are simplifying to the smallest unit, it's best always to make the second unit 1. Make it 1. How do we do that? Let's see. To make 3 hours into 1 hour, we are going to divide by 3. We want to make it per hour. It's the best way to simplify rates. So here we are making it per hour. 3 hours to 1 hour, we divide by 3. Remember, what we do to one side, we must do to the other side. 12 kilometers divided by 3, 4 kilometers per hour. So the speed is 4 kilometers per hour. Very easy. We divide by 3 here to get per hour. 12 divided by 3, 4 kilometers an hour. Always simplify by making the second unit into 1 or 1 hour in this case here. Next example, $300 for 5 hours. So maybe someone is working and for 5 hours they are going to earn $300. Now we want to simplify and make it per hour. To simplify and make it per hour, we're going to divide by 5. Divide by itself. Anything divided by itself is 1. So 5 divided by 5 is 1 hour. And we're going to do the same thing on this side. 300 divided by 5, $60 an hour. So here we notice we change it and we simplify it to per hour. Per 1, 5 divided by 5 is 1. 300 divided by 5 is 60. Someone may earn $60 an hour. This is as simple as that. Let's do another example. 150 liters in 5 hours. 150 liters in 5 hours. We would like to simplify again. Once again, the unit, we want to make it into 1 hour. So we're going to divide by itself. 5 divided by 5. And we do the same thing on the other side. 150 divided by 5, 30 liters per hour. We have simplified it. Again, notice the unit, the second unit is always 1, 1, and 1. Same thing here. $16 per 8 kilograms. So 8 kilograms is going to cost $16. Again, we're going to make it 1 kilogram per 1. How do we get 1? We divide by itself, divide by 8, and divide it by 8. What we do to one side, we do to the other. 16 divided by 8, $2 for every kilogram. This is how simple it is to actually simplify and make rates simpler. We simplify and always make the second unit 1. Here we had per hour, per hour, per hour, and here we had per kilogram. It is that easy. Always follow the rules. Ratios and rates, they have very similar features. Here we are comparing, unlike quantities, kilometers to hours, dollars to hours, liters to hours, and here dollars to kilograms. That is the difference between rates and ratios.